Tellico Village Network and the Tellico Village Birding Club presents Birds of Tellico Village. The Birds of Tellico Village series is designed to provide beginning birders and residents who have moved to the village from other parts of the country an overview of the bird species commonly found in the village. In this episode, we will look at the red-shouldered hawk, red-tailed hawk, Cooper's hawk, great horned owl, barred owl, and eastern screech owl. All 6 species are year-round residents of the village. A distinctively marked medium-sized hawk, red-shouldered hawks are frequently seen perched in trees scanning the ground for a meal. Their diet consists of small mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians. Red-shouldered hawks have a loud 2-syllable call, which you may have heard while walking around the village. Young birds are particularly noisy in late spring when their parents stop feeding them. Slightly larger than red-shouldered hawks, red-tailed hawks also look for meals while perched in trees, but additionally hunt while soaring in lazy circles high in the air. Found across most of North America, red-tailed hawks have fairly variable plumage with a color range which runs from very dark brown to nearly white. If you have bird feeders in your backyard, you probably have seen a Cooper's hawk flying low to the ground trying to make a meal out of an unsuspecting bird. Another species of hawk, the sharp-shinned hawk, is on average slightly smaller than a Cooper's hawk, but looks very similar, making it hard to differentiate between the two. Given that sharp-shinned hawks are less common in our area and are normally only passing through during migration, picking Cooper's hawk over sharp-shinned hawk is not a bad idea. With their ear-like tufts of feathers and piercing yellow eyes, great horned owls are easily identifiable. However, as is the case for all 3 owls found in the village, they are more often heard than seen since they are nocturnal. Mammals make up the majority of the great horned owl's diet, but they are adaptable and will eat whatever is available when hungry. Another larger owl, the barred owl's distinctive call of "Who cooks for you?" often announces their presence. Although considered nocturnal, barred owls will occasionally hunt during the day, particularly on dark or cloudy days. They may also be active mornings and evenings in the spring when raising owlets. A pint-sized owl with unique whinny and trill calls, the eastern screech owl comes in 2 color morphs, red and gray, with gray being the predominant color. Screech owls are carnivores, eating mammals, birds, earthworms, insects, crayfish, tadpoles, frogs, and lizards. Birds of Tellico Village was presented by Tellico Village Network and the Tellico Village Birding Club. Look for additional episodes on Tellico Village Network. For more information on the Tellico Village Birding Club, visit the club's website at tvbirdingclub.org.